Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Razer Ripsaw X 4K 30 FPS capture card. Let's get right into it. So let's get right into the unboxing. So this is what we're greeted with. So we have the small documentation that we get with all Razer products. The product manual. A sticker of the Razer logo. And the Ripsaw itself. So let's take it out of its packaging to that side. So here it is. We have the HDMI, a Razer emblem, a LED that will flash on when it's been activated, and a USB 3.0. So I'm going to set it up and I'm going to show you guys how it works. Alright, so as you've just seen, we've unboxed the capture card. So now what we're going to do is a sort of comparison. So as of right now, I'm recording using the Razer Ripsaw X webcam. So this is a HD webcam. So this is how you see me right now. So my image is coming directly from the Razer Ripsaw X, and my audio is coming from this Audio Technica AT2020. So what we're going to do now is we're going to switch over to the Canon EOS R10 without connecting it with the Ripsaw. So it's just going to be the built-in audio and the built-in image. Alright, so now I'm recording straight off the Canon EOS R10. So I'm not using the AT2020 for audio, instead I'm using the Canon R10's built-in microphone. So as you can see, the image quality is so much better than before, but at the same time the actual mic it's actually okay, but not as good as the AT2020. So now what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to the Ripsaw and connect the R10 to OBS using that, and we'll see how it looks afterwards. Alright, so I've gone ahead and connected the capture card to the R10 using a micro HDMI cable. So what that enables me to do is record on OBS using the R10. But at the same time, I have the AT2020 over here, and that's actually recording my audio right now. So now what's happened is I have a better image quality than before, but also have a better audio quality than I would if I was still recording on the R10 without connecting it to OBS. So the image quality is the same, it hasn't dropped or anything, but at the same time it's actually increased the overall quality thanks to the AT2020 and the Canon R10 working together to provide audio and image together. So say you actually were doing this and you got the Ripsaw, but you don't have a microphone, but you have a camera and the Ripsaw or any other capture card. Or you can actually just use the same built-in microphone from the camera. You just have to set it up on OBS. But say you did have a microphone, when you connect to your camera, I also encountered this issue. It actually does double audio. So that's because the Canon's built-in microphone also connects to OBS. So you just have to silence that input and just keep the microphone you're using. In my case, the AT2020. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and learned a thing or two on the review. So remember, leave a like, subscribe, comment what you'd like to see in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.